And I did my undergraduate degree at the University of Michigan in human nutrition because I knew doctors knew nothing about nutrition. Yeah, go blue, yeah. Most people got their botany or zoology degree, and not that I'm knocking those, but I really realized that, as Hippocrates said, you are what you eat. So I did my undergraduate degree in human nutrition, and then I went on to medical school at the University of Michigan. And now I work for a very large health system in the Midwest. My day job is as an ear, nose, and throat surgeon, so I operate on patients, I see patients. My real passion lies in nutrition sciences, and I've had the opportunity for the last 25 or so years to work in a lab. I have a federally funded laboratory that the National Institutes of Health has funded for about 25 years and other sources. And I've been studying extracts of red wine, which happens to be in your antioxidant formula in the BiPAC. I've been studying different types of ingredients that affect mitochondrial function and can alter aging processes. I've worked very closely with Audrey and Steve Witherly, who's a brilliant nutrition scientist that I feel privileged to work with, the both of them, because they're quite amazing people. So I feel truly blessed to do that. In one of the jobs, I wear about 6 different hats. I'm the director of research for my department, and it's a $5 billion a year organization. We talk about being a healthcare organization. In America, as you've seen and heard, we're really a sick care organization. We're taking care of you after you're sick. And so I lead complementary and integrative medicine at this very large institute, and I'm also the medical director of wellness and prevention for our $5 billion a year health system. And it's really charged on health and wellness, which is one of the main reasons I got involved with ViSalus, because they really allow us to have the tools to impact that health and wellness. So, ear, nose, and throat surgeon, medical director of wellness, a very, very large system, and I do a lot of research on aging and nutrition, and that's kind of my roles with my health system. And I'm the director of product development, and I work with an amazing team on the scientific advisory board for ViSalus Sciences. And a lot of science, 25 years of my own science, many, many years of other people's science that has gone into this, and it's a great team, and I'm proud to be part of it.
That was great. It's a privilege to be here and see so many familiar faces and so many healthy faces. I'll keep my background brief. I have a PhD in human nutrition from Michigan State. Go Sparty. I have a master's in food science from UC Davis, and I have a dietetics degree. As far as I know, there's nobody in the country that has this degree that works for a company, but I work for ViSalus. And just one little bit of my past. If you go that way, there's a building, and there's green letters on it. It was in my past. I don't work for them anymore. I work for the 3 founders. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Audrey Sommerfeld. Thank you. For those of you who don't know my background, I started my career at Procter & Gamble working in beauty care. I worked on Ovalay and Bain de Soleil and some other brands. Then I really wanted to get into healthcare, so I went to a company called Johnson & Johnson, where I worked for 11 years. And while I was there, I worked on a number of different brands, but it was really irking me because what I was realizing was I wasn't helping people get healthier. I was actually just helping them manage their symptoms. And it was gnawing at me. And so a job opportunity came for me to go down to another company that started with an H, and I don't call it heaven. I really got involved and passionate about nutrition, and I got to work with Dr. Steve there and some other scientists. And I really saw what we could do, and I fell in love with this industry because I got to know the people who used our products. I got to see the stories of their transformation. And that's truly what motivates the 3 of us here. We were just backstage crying and going, we are so honored to be part of this company and to be part of this movement. Thank you.
So Audrey, I know we got